Hi everyone, welcome back to Tara's Take. Welcome for the first time if it's your first time with me. Today we're going to create a ephemera Rolodex. I'm trying to hold this so you guys can see. I'm sure some of you, maybe a lot of you have heard of these. I found this on Pinterest and fell in love with the idea. Sat down in front of the TV, tried it, and it worked so good. Look at all my ephemera, pre-made ephemera, ready for me to just pull out when I need it. I can see everything in here. I used a hardback book, and it's so much fun. It's so full and cute, and I wish I could kind of show it to you from a better angle, but see? Yeah, that's the front. So I kind of put those upside down so I could see them from the top. And then this is it facing me. So you can see rows and rows and rows and rows of ephemera. Okay? So I'm going to set this to the side and going to get my other book. I'm using a smaller book this time. Let me grab it. These are super easy. Okay, really easy. Let me fix my chair. I need it up higher. I'm too short. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So you're gonna need a hardback book. Okay, and I used a smaller one, like I said this time, but just a regular book. And you're gonna go down the center. I just eyeballed it. What I did was I looked at how many pages were in the book, and then I looked in the center and brought it to about the middle, okay? So, now, all you're going to do, this is so easy, and I used 5 pages in that other book. I think I'll use 4 in this because this paper feels a little bit thicker, but you're going to take, 4, 5, 6 pages, depending on how thick your pages are. And you're going to go down the center, and I'm starting to the right. You could start to the left. You're going to do one side, and you're going to do the other. Or you could do part of one side, part of the other, and then finish it off. But all you're going to do is you're going to take those pages, and you're going to roll them, and you're going to evenly tuck them, okay, down inside. And that's what that looks like. And then we're just going to grab 4 more pages. Oops. And I did have trouble with the first one sticking a little bit, but it's okay because once you get the next one done, they just kind of start staying and anchoring each other in. So I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I'm going to do that one. This one's wanting to fight me, but it's okay because once you get a few of them in there, they will anchor each other, and the pressure against each other will cause them to stay. And you don't need any glue. I was thinking when I was doing mine, oh, I'm going to need glue. This isn't, it's not staying that first set. And then as I did it, I saw that they started to stay. And I bet if I went ahead and did 1 on this side, 3, 4, that would anchor that section even more. So I'm going to do that. Okay, let's go down and make sure you're tucked down into the spine. Okay, so we're going to go again, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is super, super easy. So, and I'm just kind of looking to make sure that I'm even there. Okay. So, how is everybody doing? I'm just going to kind of chit-chat as we do this. If you're doing it with me, awesome. So, they're coming to get the car tomorrow. Praise the Lord. And if anybody out there ever has problems with your Prius or a hybrid vehicle, we're doing business with it's called Cash for Hybrids. He's out of California. I think he only travels to like Arizona, Nevada, nearby California. But yeah, if you're in that area and you need somebody to buy your car, he's buying ours. He also fixes hybrid. If you're out of California, or close to the border of California, he'll meet you and he'll fix the battery in your Prius as well, I believe. He's got that part of his business too. But yeah, so we get to sell the Prius and put some money away for the house. Things are starting to move regarding the house. After this video, I'm going to call the mortgage company. She and I talked yesterday, and they might not be able to help us because we want to get a manufactured home, probably in a park, and she doesn't handle those, but she has a branch of her business that does. So yeah. So yeah, just believe in the Lord for a good miracle. Look at this. Isn't this fun? Now, as you put them together, they're going to kind of squeeze each other flatter. So you don't have to worry about that either. Okay. We never had, you guys remember last week when I had the appraiser come to the house, and then the termite guy, and not the appraiser, but the inspector. Well, he did the right side of the house, but he didn't even come into my side of the house. And I saw the owner later, or the buyer, I believe was the buyer, out there with him. And I don't know, but I'm wondering if he changed his mind, because I heard the inspector guy telling him, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. He was listing off all the things he had found. And there's so much wrong with this house that it would be shocking to me. So I just have 3 left on the end, so I'm going to go ahead and take those. I am leaving this, what do they call this page? The outer leaf page. I'm going to leave that there. I mean, it would be kind of cool because it's a map under here. Let's see. Will it stay by itself if I do that one? I didn't on the last one because the page was thicker. And I'm only doing that now because it might be kind of cute because of the... Maybe I'll wrap it in with that last one. Because of this inside is a map. So I might do that. Let's tuck that in there. Okay, so now we're going to start on the other side. But anyway, yeah, I'm wondering if the guy who was going to buy the house changed his mind. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. And I heard from Vanessa's husband, and she is, from what he said, she is doing better. I don't know when she's going to get to go home, but little by little, she is doing better. So, isn't this simple? I hope you guys are going to try this. If you had, I saw it, and I remembered people have asked me before how I store my ephemera. And my ephemera is just in a big dollar store bucket kind of thing that's finished. Here, I'll show it to you. This is how I store it normally. Once it's finished, I put it in this. I got this at the dollar store, and I just put it in here, and that's how I've been doing it. And so this is kind of so much more fun. And because of it being the way it's set up, I can see the ephemera better and kind of find pieces, that I want. Now once you start doing this part, it's now it's closing in on itself a lot. As you can see, I pulled the wrong one. So what you're going to want to do, because it's starting to fold in, is to make sure that you're all the way in, because it's I can tell it's like having to struggle to get to the inside of the spine. There we go. Okay. I'm just lifting it and making sure that's rounded because it's trying to flatten itself out, only because it's just like sinking right into the form of this. And this totally is solid. I mean, it really holds itself shut. And this is, like the title of the video said, this is a book, Ephemera Rolodex. So if you've never heard of these, I'm glad I got to show it to you. If you have, and this is just old news to you, then sorry if I bored you. I used a smaller book with the videos so that it wouldn't take me quite as long to do all this rolling and stuff. And then I was going to put some of the ephemera in it. I actually filled the other one up pretty good, the first one I did. And that was a large book, so yeah. Just trying to get this even. Pull it. There we go. Okay, almost there, guys. Oh, so anyways, what else can we talk about? I've been watching a lot of news. I watch independent news, you guys, on YouTube. I watch a little bit of Fox, just to see how it correlates with what else I'm seeing out there. I do a lot of investigating myself on what's going on around our world, so I was doing that this morning, and there we go. And then after I'm done with this video, I'm probably going to record another one. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to do. I shot out that today is Tuesday, and I put out the launch for the Soft Florals set 1. I'll probably, you know what I might do after this video is I might work on, since it's only Tuesday and I can do next week's videos later in the week, I may go ahead and work on my, what do you call it, set 2, because it is almost finished for the other florals. So maybe I will do that. I'm just going to use all of these because there's only like 5. Instead of trying to. There you go. It's a little bit thicker, but that's okay. So here's what I have. This is my Rolodex, okay? And so now I'm going to grab my bucket with my ephemera in it. And I'm going to start placing so you can kind of see how nice and tight? And it holds it really good. Anything that kind of had edgings and stuff like that, or flowers, I've been kind of sticking them out on the edge so that they don't, oops, there's another piece there, so they don't get messed up. But yeah, that's how it's done. And it even holds thick pieces. Like this is a notebook, and it'll even hold that. You know, it's a little notepad I did. But yeah, and as I go down, I just started putting them kind of facing upward, or like this, so that I could see them from the top. Or from the front, like, you know what I mean? This has got like that ruffle, so I'm going to make sure that's kind of sitting outside. There we go. Oh, wait, there's a flower catching. No wonder. There we go. You know, as a matter of fact, I think I'll sit that to the side like that. There we go. That way the flower is up in the air. There. Yeah, I just love this idea. I hope you guys like it. If you've got like any bows or any little thing, make sure it's lying flat when you put it in. You know, so it doesn't get permanently bent. I'm going to do that one to the side. There we go. That one can be on the bottom. I love this thing. It's so much fun. And I can basically get rid of my bucket and have just this adorable, fun little Rolodex. Let's see. See, I'll show you how it's looking so far from my viewpoint. See how easy? And then when you need something, you can see it easy enough. You just pull it out, tuck it back in, whatever. And a little tag. Yeah, this is really, for me, this was kind of like a great idea. Because I've had no real sense of how I wanted to store my stuff. And so, yeah, I'm really loving this a lot. And I hope that you guys like it too, and that you'll give it a try. And then it'll help you to store your goodies. When I do stuff with lace, I kind of just pull the pages apart a little bit and tuck it in that way. That way it's, like I said, it doesn't fold it and bend it up. Okay, like that. Because they'll pull apart without popping out. Because once they're bent into each other, they anchor one another really well. Aren't these fun? Let's see. So guy can go there. Just so many places to put your stuff. I love it. So let me know in the comments if you guys like this. If you try it, let me know, okay? I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know what you did with yours. Seriously, I may make a third one, and I'll probably store these in the back room on the shelf. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and tuck this bigger one under here. That's another thing, the larger stuff, I mean, it really holds some of these bigger pieces of mine good. Because the papers don't, like I said, don't put a lot of pressure on it, so it's not messing anything up, you know. But look at that, how full that is. It's holding a ton. And then I've got all that. Now I still have so much. I could probably make a third one, actually, but I might be able to fit everything into the one. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. Might be a bit of a challenge for me. I may have to do a third one just to be on the safe side. But yeah, this holds the little pieces. It holds your big pieces. It's really nice. So let me know if you guys give it a try. I would love to hear about your experience with it, if you like it. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye for today, because I think you got the idea. I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. God bless you. Bye.